everyone, this is Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I'm going to show you just a quick bug fix to one of the videos we released. Now, this was flagged by someone in the comments, and funny enough, when we did test this, it did work, but I can see where the issue will lie, and I'm just going to sort of fix that in this video, and then hopefully this will resolve any issues that some people are getting. Basically, on the calculate first business day, when we're setting this first day of the month, we're setting it as a string, and then when we're doing these comparisons for each day, we're doing it against a number. And again, funnily enough, this did work for a lot of testing, and one of our flows that it did work for. But again, I can see why. I'm surprised it does actually work in some cases. I'm just going to show you how you can fix that just as a quick fix for this video. Basically, instead of doing a string against an integer or a number, we want to just add double quotations around this value. So we're matching a string against a string. Now I'm just going to add that to all of these. And I'll just save that, and then that should fix that bug fix because now we're comparing a string against a string. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Thank you.